Datasets in Julia. Hello. Today we are going to demonstrate datasets in Julia, along with some common data interoperation libraries for absolute basics. This is episode 1, where we cover Hugging Face datasets, which is a Julia Python interoperation library. It allows usage of the excellent datasets from the wonderful Hugging Face community. Step 1. Using pkg. Install the Hugging Face datasets package, which is all one word as snake case. Add a using statement for your library. And then the usage is the familiar Pythonic global function load dataset. That should be enough to get you going. I hope this simple no BS scriptable helped. Have a great day. Also, the algorithm says to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, metrics. Seriously, learn sound effects, Sam.